Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power down, unplug, and remove battery if the model allows. You want zero power. Once done, ground yourself by touching the chassis or using an anti-static strap. Remove the service panel screws and lift the cover. Make sure to keep screws organized. Locate the SSD bay type 2. 5. SATA versus M. 2 slot, so you know how the drive will seat. This first step prevents damage and gets you exactly where to install the new SSD. Now install the drive. For a 2. 5. SATA SSD, place it into the caddy or bay, align the SATA connector and slide it toward the built-in port until it seats, secure with screws. For an M. 2 SSD, hold it at about a 30 degrees angle, insert the gold fingers fully, then press down and fasten the standoff screw. Do not over-tighten. Make sure connectors align and that no debris is present. Proper seating avoids bent pins and ensures stable data and power connections. Finish by reattaching the access panel and tightening screws, then reconnect the battery and external power and boot the laptop. Enter BIOS or UEFI to confirm the new SSD is detected, and if you plan to boot from it, set the correct boot order. Once in the operating system, initialize the drive, create partitions, and format it. If the system doesn't see the SSD, reseat the drive and connectors, try a different slot, and check for BIOS updates. This single troubleshooting step often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.